Okay, let's go back, and I apologize for the recording software, but in our last discussion, I was talking to you about your homework um, or your assignment, depending on the day. Now, if this is on Tuesday, this is going to be your homework. Do it and turn in by the end of the period. If this is Wednesday, this is your assignment. So, now, when we last spoke, I told you that you need to draw 3 of these models, okay, on your own paper. Okay, you're going to draw 3 of these on your own paper. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to properly label them 1, okay? And then you're going to give your own scenario that goes along with them. So it's going to have all this information, and it's going to have a scenario. So let's go back to my example. Okay, so let's just say the sender is a boy named Jeff. And Jeff sends through a visual channel. I think we did the enemy thing, so let's go with that idea. So Jeff, he shakes his fist, and it's a visual channel, and shaking his fist is the message. The receiver is his enemy. And let's just say if you're a community fan, we'll name the enemy Piers. Okay, and Piers through a audio channel, okay, gives his feedback of a mean laugh. That's his feedback, and we said earlier that it's positive feedback. Okay, it's not negative, doesn't extinguish the behavior. It's not internal behavior because internal feedback because he's not regulating his own behavior. It's external feedback, so it's external and positive. The context, like you said, was outside of school. And we said the noise, this is where we kind of got cool, was the noise was going to be psychological because of their feelings for each other. Now, not like the romantic feelings for each other. They don't like each other. They're hatred. And it's on both sides. Right? And that's what it should look like. Okay, so you're going to do 3 of these, turn them in for homework, okay, or turn them in at the end of the period, but you're going to be responsible for turning this in on your own sheet of paper. This is going to be your first big graded assignment, okay? I'm going to grade it, and then we're going to discuss it later in class, okay? So you need to make sure to do this right. You draw 3 of these models, you're going to properly label it, and you're going to give a scenario with each one of them, okay? And then we're going to talk about it. I'm going to pick a couple of y'all when I return to show these to the class, so be ready to do that. Otherwise, if you have any questions, the sub is more than happy to review this example for you, or even to go back in some of the lectures if you need to. All right, so without further ado, have fun with the rest of your work, and if I don't see you, well, I will see you. I'll see you guys on, I'll see you guys on Thursday. Okay, so good luck with your work, and have a good rest of your week without me until I come back on Thursday. See you then.